Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to prepare seasoned rice, and as you can see the pumpkin is already prepped, peel, wash and then cut into small pieces, and the saltfish is currently soaking, so we're gonna boil the saltfish for about 4 to 5 minutes into this water, and then discard the water, rinse the saltfish with some fresh tap water, and then shred the saltfish. So this will remove the excess salt from the saltfish. Other ingredients that we'll be using: a small piece of thyme, and then you cut it with the knife, you cut it up. Pepper, add pepper. Use the amount to suit your taste. And also a small piece of, or probably one stalk of scallion. Also, we'll be using a small piece of onion. And this is the white onion. And a piece of red sweet pepper, or bell pepper as they call it in other countries. And a clove of garlic. So these are the ingredients: onion, garlic, add pepper, sweet pepper, scallion. Yeah, so these are the ingredients. Also, we'll be using in the seasoned rice is ackee. So the ackee is already clean in terms of the red pad is removed from the ackee, and the ackee is washed. So in this medium sized pot, on medium heat, with about 1 cup of water, no salt, do not add any salt. Now add the pumpkin to the pot, as well as the fresh herbs. So add some spices to the pot, all purpose. About a teaspoon, or probably half teaspoon. And you know that we are Jamaicans, so we don't measure anything, but we always get it right. As well as some ground black pepper, around half or probably quarter teaspoon as well. So use quarter teaspoon of all purpose and quarter teaspoon of black pepper. And remember, no salt, because we're gonna use the saltfish. So gonna cover the pot and allow the pumpkin and the fresh herbs to cook on medium heat. So in the meantime, the excess salt from the saltfish has been removed and then rinsed with tap water, as I mentioned before. So now the saltfish is cool enough, so we're gonna shred it and remove as much as the bones, as much bones as possible. So this is the shredded saltfish. So I'm gonna cover this and set it aside. After 10 minutes, add the ackee. As well as the saltfish. And no, we are not using any latex gloves. We don't use latex gloves in Jamaica. There is no bacteria around this food. Everything is pure and clean and sanctified in Jesus' name. So, gonna cover the pot and cook this for how long?
Next 10 minutes.
Around the next 10 minutes. Before adding the rice, right? Huh? About the next 5 minutes. And then add it, and then you're gonna put in the rice. Eh? Oh, well, put in coconut milk in the next 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, the ackee is what? The ackee not cook it?
Yes, man.
The ackee cook?
Yeah.
Okay, so the ackee is cooked.
Butter ackee, you know.
Yeah. So add the coconut milk.
Ready?
Yeah. So I'm using the canned coconut milk. Yeah. This smells so good. Around how much coconut milk? At around quarter cup. Around quarter cup of coconut milk. Yeah, so now we're gonna add the rice. The rice is washed. And this is around 1¼ pound of rice.
1¼ pound.
Yeah, 1¼ pounds of rice. Stir using a fork. You gotta add butter to it, you know you put on butter. So no butter will be added to it because the coconut milk already added. So cover the pot and just let everything cook down right now. So I will show you what it looks like when it is completed. This is it, seasoned rice. This is ideal when you don't want to eat meat, or for vegetarian, you know, this is a good dish for them as well. You know, it's fulfilling, it's like a one-pot meal and it tastes delicious, tastes okay. You can try this recipe and tell me how it turns out in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so that you will know when I uploaded a new video.